ND News, ND lo che pota busca.
Presidente di Compañía Avior, hopi konntento para lo cuarto vuelo inaugural Avior di Caracas, del cual tabatin basta emoción na airport.
Hi, thank you very much. And in the name of Avior Regional, all our team, we are really proud to arrive today here in Curaçao and start our operations. We have chosen Curaçao as the first international destination of Avior Regional, mainly because we are joined together. Historically, Venezuela and Curaçao have been related all around since the 18th century. So why don't we, recover that and start offering to the island, to the people of Curaçao, and also to the Venezuelan people the opportunity to not only travel for leisure or vacations or connecting flights. Let's start improving the relation between both countries, and we allowing people making business or other type of enterprise have the chance either to fly in the morning, in the afternoon. We are going to start flying Tuesdays and Thursdays. Well, next week we're starting with the commercial flights, and in the morning, in the afternoon. We expect to expand our operations and to bring, good future and good improvement of this, so allowing both countries to develop themselves. Avior Regional, it's not only an airline of Venezuela. Its name says everything. It's a regional airline. So right now we are joining people from Venezuela, but not from the main cities. So we have passengers that will come from Barinas, from small towns, that will have the chance to growth and to have the chance to know and visit new countries. So to summarize, we are adding new people to the market. So that's important. We are growing the market of passengers between both companies. So I want to give all my thanks and regards to the people of the Curaçao, CAA, airport authorities, and everyone that has been named here. So we are really, really proud, and we have chosen Curaçao as our first international destination because we really think that this is the best way to start. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, and I hope we can be in the future growing together.